Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get a Shopify free trial in 2024. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official website of Shopify. Now, before starting a free trial, let's take a look on its pricing. So you can start for free, and then after that, you get to enjoy $1 a month for 3 months. The cool thing about is that you don't need a card when getting started. Now, go back to Shopify homepage and let's click Start Free Trial. So it says let's get started. Which of these best describes you? You can always answer these, or you can just do skip or skip all. So I will click skip here, so you can see what actually comes through with this section. Now it says where would you like to sell? Once again, you can choose that or do skip or next or skip all. And then it says what do you plan to sell first? Maybe you'll decide later whatever it's going to be. I'm just going to do skip. And for this one, this isn't something that you can skip. So choose your country or region and then click on next. And from here you can sign up with email, Apple, Facebook or Google. So choose any option from which you want to sign. Once you signed, automatically you will be sent to this page where it's going to be building your store. Just give it some time and it won't take very long for it to finish up. And then you will get taken to the main Shopify dashboard. And you'll look at the bottom right, it's going to say when your trial ends. And if you want to actually get started up and running, you can click on the Select the Plan button where you can extend your Shopify trial for just $1 a month for your first 3 months. So that's basically how you can get a Shopify free trial in 2024. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.